Should your child sign up for football practice 5 days a week? Are 3 days of practice enough? It is common for parents to be a little confused when it comes to deciding how much is too much for after-school activities. They argue that since most of the activities are fun, children will enjoy these classes with little to no burnout. Too much of fun can have some drawbacks though. Here is a simple guide that will help you decide how much is too much for your child. Kindergarten. Your child is just beginning to learn to interact and get used to discipline. His or her after-school life should be simple and carefree. 1 or 2 classes per week are enough at the beginning. Once the child settles down, look for more challenging activities like a music program. Grade 1. 1 or 2 activities per week, play dates, and playground visits are recommended. Avoid overly competitive sports activities. The child is still too young to have to worry about winning and losing. After a full day at school, he or she needs a healthy outlet for pent-up energy. Physical activities and non-competitive sports are best for this age. Grade 2. Your child is old enough to voice opinions on what activities he or she wants. Sports, skating, swimming or computers. Steer him towards things he likes. Many children begin lessons on a musical instrument around this age. Allow your child some alone time throughout the day that can be used to unwind. Grade 3. Socialization begins to take center stage. Team sports are a good choice. Developing motor skills, painting, and drawing are good too. Let the child explore areas of interests. Make sure to set aside enough time for family time and fun activities. Grade 4. At this age, your child will tell you what they like. He needs to get involved in activities that will boost his confidence. This will also help him manage stress, as this is the time when social pressure is beginning to build. Beware of the homework demon. Your child needs more time with his studies. Balancing his schoolwork with other activities is very important. Grade 5. The 5th grader is bubbling with energy and will want to do just about everything. She or he may conveniently push studies to the background. So, close supervision is needed. Keep 1 or 2 days free for family time and other activities. Now is a great time to get your child interested in community service. Middle school. Steer him away from TV. Get him engaged in activities that reinforce learning. Academic performance can be improved by encouraging your preteen to join clubs like the Girl, Boy Scouts program, language clubs, chess clubs, and so on. As a general rule, 16 to 20 hours a week of extra activity should be more than enough. Watch for signs of burnout. What you select for your child, and how long he should work at it, is basically decided by the child's temperament. As a parent, you should closely observe your child and base your decisions on feedback from the child themselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.